Is this recipe guaranteed to beat your taste buds? Stop resisting his cuteness.
Ba 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 ba, Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Thank you, Chad. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a beet and goat cheese salad. I'm going to goat you on until you beat me in the mouth. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Shh. First up, let's roast some corn. Gonna roast some corn, yeah. Wait, I'm coming undone too late. Corn. I always wanted to be a corn star. Don't be weird. Chop your corn. We're gonna remove the corn kernels. Boop, 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 beep, bop, boop. This is so corny, it just might work. There's corn everywhere. Put your corn in a pan. Bit of olive oil in there just to say hello. Toast up your corn. Is corn. If you listen carefully, you can hear the corn screaming. Putting a bit of color on our corn. This is some cool colorage on the corn. Transfer it to a plate. Toasted corn. Toasted corn. Perfect. We're going to use two types of shallots in this recipe, fried and fresh. If you can't tell the difference between them, these are the fried shallots.
I don't care what anyone says, the Jordan 2 pandas are trash.
That shallot is fresh. You were too cool for school, now you're getting chopped. I could prepare these in advance, but it'd be so much less fun. It wouldn't be as fun. We wouldn't have as much fun.
It wouldn't be as much fun.
Sorry, I've had a Red Bull. Did you hear about the herb that went to college? He was a mintellectual. That being said, he majored in visual arts and had a pretty rocky life. Look, it's Vincent van Gogh. I'm gonna take like 5 Vincent van Gogh leaves. Roll up your mint leaves, like a little mint leaf doobie. Now chop your mint, fun in the sun. Using the tools I bought. It's cool. Tool cool, cool tool. Tool cool for school. Fucking relax, bro. What kind of music do vegetables listen to? The Beatles. Daywalker. Some motherfuckers are always trying to ice skate uphill. Chop up your beets. What's funny about beets is that you eat them and then the next day it's always a terrifying surprise. If you know, you know. Slicing your beets. Beets by Dre. I never forgot about Dre. If you die from a beet allergy, were you technically beaten to death? Food for thought. Time to address the elephant in the room. The dressing. Also him. Let's get dressed. We're gonna start with some olive oil, a little bit of lime juice. You're a juicy lime. Little poodle fur, a little pinch of salt, just a little pinch of chili powder. Pinch of gochugaru. Those shallots go in. Sir Mix-a-Lot. A little bit of arugula, not too much. It's not the star of the show. The beets are. A bit of dressing on there, just a bit. A little bit of a coating for the arugula. Arugula down. Slices of beets go on. You can be creative, you can be not. It's up to you. Get yourself some goat cheese. Just don't get screaming goat cheese. Or mountain goat cheese. Little bit of cream cheese on top. Little bit of
Goat cheese.
I'm making it a little bit fancy right now. You can also just toss it all in one big salad. Tossed salad. Gonna put some of that corn on top as well. A little bit of that mint. A little bit of that dressing on top. Beautiful. Couple fried shallots. Just a little bit of balsamic glaze on top.
Glaze that.
Done and done. And now I eat you. So good. Goat cheese is so good. It's so fast, it's easy. You get the sweetness of the corn and the savoriness of the cheese and it's so good. Yeah, I like that. Yes, please. Bye, friends. It's corn. Beets.